How to block all incoming calls without airplane mode on iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block all incoming calls on your iPhone without having to use your airplane mode. If you're trying to get some peace and quiet or need to avoid distractions for a while, this is super helpful. So let's get started. First things first, grab your iPhone and head over to your settings app. You'll find the settings app on your home screen just like this. Now navigate to the do not disturb mode. Apple introduced Focus Mode, which allows you to customize how you manage notifications and calls. You'll see a few different options here, including Do Not Disturb. Tap on Do Not Disturb and let's set it up to block all incoming calls. Now, once you're in the Do Not Disturb mode, you'll see a few options by default. Here on People, simply silence notification and allow notification from. Simply click on nobody. Here, as you can see here, I have not choose anybody, so nobody's notification will come through. And as you can see, allows call from. Simply click on favorites. And if you can see here, allow repeated calls, simply toggle that off as well. And this will block every call that comes through to your phone and all the notification that come through. Now once you set allow calls from to no one, go ahead and turn on do not disturb mode. You can do this by simply toggling the switch at the control center or the simply opening the tapping on the moon crescent. And if you want to schedule this to happen automatically, you can also turn on a scheduled do not disturb period. For example, you might want to activate at night when you're sleeping. To do this, just simply choose the schedule. Simply click on add schedule and you can choose the time like this, and you can also choose the location as well. Once you're ready to start receiving calls again, just head back to settings and simply go to do not disturb mode and simply turn it off. You can also turn it off by swiping down from the control center and simply tapping on the focus mode again. And that's it. Now you know how to block all incoming calls without needing to turn on